Alright, go.
What, 2?
You should
Burn it.
You gotta keep it in. You can't spit it out.
You cannot. She's about to cry. Daisy, are you guys alright?
We should have got some water before we tried this.
Yeah, that's how I just say this lie.
It's cold, dude. Are you alright? Yeah.
You are not alright.
Wait. You were like smelling your breath, and I was gonna like open my mouth. I was like, go. I'm not about to kiss another girl.